So I've got the OnePlus 13, and today I'll be showing you how to enable or disable auto connect to mobile network on this phone. So auto connect to mobile network is a feature on this phone that if you have a Wi-Fi connection and then your phone detects that the Wi-Fi connection is kind of slow or it's not working the way it should be working, your phone automatically connects to your mobile network. Now you may want this or you may not want it. So I'll be showing you how to enable and disable that feature. Just go to settings. Under settings, go to Wi-Fi, tap on that. And then under Wi-Fi, tap on Wi-Fi Assistant. And then you should see auto switch to mobile network. So this has to be on. The auto connect to the best Wi-Fi has to be on. So if you're not seeing auto connect to mobile network, make sure that is on, auto connect to best Wi-Fi, and then you'll see the option to enable or disable auto switch to mobile network. So that's why you can disable that feature, and that's why you can enable it. Disable, enable. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly even subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.